Hello, children! Mother and Father of all creation here. Yes, all of creation here with you today. They call it Black Friday, where black is every color of the rainbow. Really, it's post-forgiveness? Post-gratefulness? No. We're always grateful. We're always thankful. Wow, what an honor it is to be with you, spend some moments. Love is one. Joy reigns too. Bless all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Do you like me? Well, I hope you do. 'Cause if you like me, think I'm gonna have to like you too. Yeah, we'll share our things, and we'll have some fun. Then we'll say goodbye, go back home when the day is done. You tell me, well, I tell you too. And we'll say the things, do the things that lovers do. Yeah, we'll keep it to ourselves. Yeah, we won't hurt no one. Then we'll say goodbye, go back home when the day is done. Yeah, we'll carve our name on a tree. Then we'll burn it down so no one in the world can see. Hell, we'll make love while we watch that flame. We'll walk away like we had no shame. Excuse me there. Now we must hide, be alone. Can't say our sweet things on that telephone. We can't stop what we've begun. Yeah, we'll say goodbye and go back home when the day is done. Well, do you still like me? 'Cause I still like you. And we'll love each other all and every single day come true. Have our fun, we'll still love, we'll still go up above. 'Cause we shared our things, and we had our fun. Now we'll say goodbye, go back home when the day is done. 'Cause we'll make love, watch that flame, we'll walk away as if we never had no shame. We'll must hide and be alone. We never could say our sweet things on that telephone. We can't stop what we begun. We should say goodbye, go back home when the day is done. Do you still like me? 'Cause I still like you. 'Cause if we still like me, I think I'm gonna like you too. We'll share our things, and we'll have some fun. Now we'll say goodbye, go back home while I still have one. Yeah, we'll say goodbye, go back home while we still have one. Yeah, we'll say goodbye, go back home when that day is done. Celebrate life, children. celebrate love. Love is the way, love is the way. Be love. Love you all. Thank you, Mother Luna.